Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Play Store, then you have to tap on your profile icon here, go to the Manage Apps and Device, and here you can see available updates. So here you can see the whole list of the apps which are not up to date on your device. So what you can do, you can just update them one by one by tapping this update button next to them, or you can tap update all and update them all at once, which could take some time depending on how many apps you have. So yeah, and depending on your internet connection speed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.